Last time on Southdown Garage.
That's pretty good. Not bad, little Volkswagen. Good job. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to another episode of Southdown Garage featuring my 2011 Golf TDI. Now, where am I taking you? Well, you may have seen this place in recent videos, but instead of putting my convertible FC with a Ford-powered V8 on the dyno, today we're going to be putting my very boring Volkswagen on the dyno. And why in the absolute heck would I do that? Why do you think? That's right, my friends. It is power time.
That means more power, baby! More power, baby! It means more power, baby!
So, next week, or this week, hopefully, we'll be taking it to Malone Tuning and have the boys at Malone Tuning flash the ECU, give us a stage 2 tune, and then and as well flash the DSG transmission, because if you don't, it'll blow up. So you can't do one without the other, so we're doing both. And the boys over there are going to take good care of the old Golf here. I don't know what the name is yet. My wife wants to call it Greta the Jetta, because technically it's a Jetta sportswagon, but my friend wants to call it Dolph the Golf, and my wife hates that. So let me know in the comments what you want the name to be. And don't go with just that my wife doesn't like the name. Please give your honest opinion in the comments below. Next, we're going to show you this sad little car on the dyno. And no, it's not going to make near 300 horsepower. It might make more than the RX-7 once the tune's done, but I don't know until we do that. So let's get to the dyno and let's have some fun. Okay, we're here at the dyno, Post Haste Performance. If you guys are in Chilliwack, come see Dan and Helen. They're good people. We're trying to see if we can plug into the Golf right now, even to see if we can tune it. So we'll go from there. And yeah, finally got this thing on the dyno. Now we're gonna see what it does. All right. So, so 200.5, so 206 foot-pounds of torque.
And 117.
And 117 horsepower. That's pretty good. Not bad, little Volkswagen. Good job.